quick ones in the hot. Don't play as in the hot. Share this video, guys. I don't want to waste time. Just the entire house. Just the entire sharp as the hot. My house could chop this video. I don't want to spend much time. You know what I'm saying? They want to spend much time. Please share this video, guys. Share the video. Begin to share this video. Invite people on this program. Tag Mommy Let a Care Lead. Tag Enoge is Priceless. Tag Iviroba Pizzolet. Just tag them. Let them come and sit down here. Listen. I don't want to talk much. But before I talk, I get proof of everywhere I talk. Audio is full by half full. Ya prakata. Audio full by full. Ya managadam. You feel the vibes. I don't want to talk much. You understand? Because you better see this saga. I'm not going to talk. I'm going to play audio. You better see this saga. I'm not going to talk much. I'm going to play audios. Yes, that's why they see this saga. Because I just form responsible man. They think I still be rugged man. But when I show my ruggedity, I go show my ruggedity. You understand? Not me joke. Not me pains. But inside there, so it don't really make sense. Because why? I get more things ahead. You feel the vibes. I get more things ahead. So I don't need to hold it for myself or media. You feel me? So that's why you're the form gentleman. I'm not gentle. I'm normally. I'm not gentle. I'm very innocent person, but I'm not gentle. But you see all these women, they form this. They form one country. They if not one year now, we're gonna do it. One year. It can't do something. You will so whatever it is, then I'll talk much. Please share the video before I continue to diagnose many things. Understand? Many things to diagnose. Please share my video. Arizona, AZ, I greet you. I greet you with better style. Please, when I have me link the video, I don't do competition with anybody. You do competition with anybody. I'm just on my own. I'm doing my things normally. I don't do competition with anybody. You understand? One thing you should know, I don't understand who they saga me now. Now when we let a care lead now send, that's the truth. If you like to recruit anybody, that's my business. And I see that send. And I'm curing how we treat. But I'm talking to the sensible people who they watch us. They are those women abroad who get sent who they watch us. I'm not talking to presenters. Because none of those presenters love me. But they do eyes with lies. You feel me so? I say you're good. A competition. I'm gonna competition. You gonna wake competition. A competition. A competition. A competition. Me maijo. A competition. A competition. A competition. A competition. Gonna wake competition. That's the truth. Now, listen, hear this vibe. Feel with this vibe. Use this vibe, sleep. Use like, hold your duvet. Chill with this vibe. Hear up. As a father, as a mother. Let me get with it. Huh? Suzuki awesome. How dare you? Don't try that guy will block you. I look like idiot. Suzuki is a stupid woman. Don't resume with you. No, not try that. Not write that comment again. I block you. I don't care. How you losing me? Not write that comment. Not try him. Not try him. Do you know who the purpose we have been? Not try him. I can't be a friend to lunatic. I'm one man squad. I don't need crowd. I need quality. Men that matters. Men with get sense. You get bone. I don't know God. You will go. Share the video. Start with this. I agree to now, but that's the words already. I don't want to play music. That's the truth. Just giving a little vibes. You understand? So please, guys. If you see other Fossa, please I see you, you write, you comment my page normally. I'm not going to insult you. I beg. Suzuki. Not trying and say, make I settle with Suzuki. If I settle with Suzuki, you know I'm a useless man. I'm a very useless and idiot. I'm a very stupid, useless, non-native person. To settle with that useless, bonfu, stupid, frustrated woman. See, Suzuki works part from a late lead in terms of relationship. She's a bloody fucker. Don't try that. Not go put her though. I don't want this saga for Suzuki. So not mention don't know on your one condition, on no condition, on 10 condition, on 60 condition, on everlasting condition. Will you measure that useless God forsaken name? Suzuki, my platform. Don't try it. It's an idiot. Anybody that want my downfall is my worst enemy. I don't play with it. If you let me my brother, don't try him. Not to follow anybody do that kind of nonsense. Suzuki on the best side. Person will lie against my wife. And he feels it, he want to cover up that lies. He want to cover the lie. Or go to clip back him, he mad. Don't try him. I not change this matter. I'm not coming because of Suzuki. Take this stupid, that useless, dirty woman. We not get boyfriend. When they fuck different people for our streets, they fancy they will go ass. But we lock up. I know what kind for Suzuki. Or like be house Suzuki to some about her. A motherfucker. Useless bon fool. What do I buru to Ronugbe? To Ronugbe Ashawo de Gwemu. Ashawo Kobo. Congratulations, Suzuki. Which congratulations? A doctor's woman. Say you do you go have the first small boys around. Useless bon fool. Consider. Why you are mommy let the child be friends? Is it not better to see feathers who flocks together? Oh, what? Wow. Or in one side. I'm not coming for you. No. Social media they breathe smoke this morning. After I dropped my video, they breathe smoke. My mimi rockba. My mimi rockba at all. I wait. Now give me small weeks. This saga it go long. Me more, but bad with this man. If I see this smoke, I don't say I don't be man. Is that gonna? A Loveti, woman like the pressure with a gonna be man. He is a boy. Loveti, no head that. Loveti begin to recruit many people. You see people they recruit. When they spin pass, who you want to recruit? If you pitolet. If you Loveti who pita pass if you. When you Loveti, when massive you know going away. If you when they collecting children for your hand, give your husband. You get for picking two pa. The two picking they with you for house. No one they give their father. You better pass if you. When you do your husband house, you not go sleep around. If you do your husband house, okay, go fuck up. Okay, use bola shift the womb. You better pass if you. What is that for your matter? You not go my house, call use my wife, sleepy gun. If you will go my house, man, you go use your fellow woman, sleepy gun. Man, fuck off, man. More than I talk person matter where there is reasonable. Better one go sleep. Come back, come closer. Vianiqua. If you say I go, you say me don't go lash. What's the color? You know Kokomo of UK. You say I don't put up for you go make us go to. I swear to God, if to say that woman give me make us for fuck. Walai. See, not be joke. I'm not a greasy man. I see you look more neat, fresh. You look more sweet, it neat past momileticality. You look more of UK. To say that woman give me to talk. I swear me I not do. Only she come my house with a granddaughter. Yeah, the neatness alone. Ava. No. If I don't. My life is life. Oh no. Me God is me. Me more. What? I could say. You understand? Only the neatness of Ienu Komoilo 100% better pass momiletically leads Jesus. No, no go put on down. Why are you? Why are you? I'm not going to give you. You no come of UK. That's in way. Frankie, Freddy, or your friend Digby. You, what I'm going to me we are dedicated in no Italy. Or do you know? Or what black is here queen or kita? Or what see you? Or what see? But when talk of neatness to maintain house, you know, she's wonderful. Yes. Now you ain't gonna talk my ass. A biscuit you got the auto, cheese boy the auto, you know, he did pick everything. That is it. She sweep the house or whenever or boyfriend okay. She just call Epa arrange Facebook, he pay at account, I Epa set him. The way that woman was so, the way she said neat, mama, I was forced to take our granddaughter to supermarket to go do shopping for her. I don't. I want to give you money. But what I do because that the daughter was so lovely. I put her on life and I see her, not be joke. No, I see everything on life. That girl was so that granddaughter of Ian Kokomo. She was so lovely, so smart, very intelligent that I couldn't. The way that girl did, I said no, this girl to go with a gift for me. Baby, let's go. Mama, me and our friend that be okoni with oni. We make a friend me. You were aquario is normal level. You were agbe am normal level set. Now I will give her to wait, shake your body to wait. Eh, they did not bet no. And then yeah. You know come get swag. You know what they call swag? They call my life scream. It gets to can't swag when woman go get. On one they don't die you buy one. The shape of the figure, the rat figure, the uku elo, na die. Ni me ya alele, mommy let lovely. You know come am when make me here most loba. It will Thanksgiving. You know come am when me I go do Thanksgiving. You know come of UK. Ona mo when me. O go no UK mo when me. Me ma o about last we are if all lawe gbe. You know come when make me work most loba. Dan me ya we ekmanya. Maya will not get money. We are talking about UK pounds. UK. That's why UK near why you don't need even if you are a gile. Oh, yeah, a woman or ye gile. In your audio, UK. If you log that, you may problem. Very flexible woman. Ain't not get problem. Philo, you not get one. I go away. If you like busy or busy you talk, who are le? Who are joking or befu? Pesiza. Ogun baze. Okay. We are any point boy, pure. Any boy buffed. Then it will see my Iyalele Odegbe of Papillona. A back one of Papillona. No, neck one of Papillona when I share this video. And if you were so. Now, my beautiful people, I greet you all with better style. What is the plan on this social media now? Destiny, you all know as a momiletic lead. Here, if you not collide together, what are you? Now listen. This is before you see Moki don't see you. If you not let her understand, okay, where worry, me I bow where or ya will go. Others want canny. I don't forget the matter where. If you lie. We are you come on. You want to go salary. They give you salary. Afterwards, you come on. If you what you need to do, first of all, go and investigate clearly. And then you come on. Uno was no go wame. Uno nobody wame. Uno no mugaye. I was in one room self-contained. A marital bedroom flat. I was in one room self-contained with the baby in my own room. Over here in that total beddy. Me na office you need to na operate laptop. You na muaga, ona aga to take me na my everything was going on. Na my na screenshot they send get. While the daughter was sitting on the bed. So the area who you look como here, ndo aba oge rusun with never on 1 point. That one is what? 1 point. My sister is here. Me here say you way. Go more a matter no lot na you lovely. Guari no giwati convert ki asegbe idiegboya. We diegboya. Guati change I stand on my mom memoir. If you're so unfortunate, you just by the now, you're supposed to know me. Make it introduce me way to zoom my Umema was or a woman and you and that's me. Oh, I don't care. Oh, when we came like I cannot win pick up. I don't care. A pick up in a yazole in a bit can move. I just want to let you know this is a straight message to you. Get this clear. You can't distract me. I'm uncheckable. Now let me want to distract people. Oh God, distractor. I don't know what that. You can't distract me. You don't feel me so? So listen. If you like, talk, say I sleep with Monica. No be only you know. I don't fuck Monica. Talk. Now you know. If you like say I don't sleep with Lolo. Now you know. If you like say I don't sleep with what's it called? Rosemary. Now you know. If you like say I don't sleep with what's it called? What is their name? Name of the presenter. Say Frank don't last day. You can bother with go. All I am saying, the only person with me I don't know. When I say I don't bug. Nah. Mommy let a kid lead. I may bug. And then bug him. Buggy things. I must greet you. I greet you with better style.
I was calling you yesterday. You don't pick.
Mau. Where's the no?
Oh, I get the fear you may have when I get low no weather from where
again, I can't do a case. A case with me. Why is your weather?
Oh, maybe I'm the one social media kiki.
Why you buy a good when a young girl? You know when you move here, you know, like you know, I'm with a big
oh, I don't do what you regularly. While I brought our team a moon will get sick in any cage. If I have yelling lot of son on a person on a person on a book, I don't get social media.
Really, me love Wesley. Really, me love Wesley when I'm well. When I'm well.
If you know what's going on here, I think you need to knock away in Italy again.
Then when I'm well, which was not good. Where take easy.
You know, we see no your sulaya begging many make work in our war or weto sophia, no your sulamu, dear, no weto to say. You know, Isha. You might beg you what we are calling you, picking at my brother. A Frankie de Bissing. A period in it, a easier you may be a beg Belu, a man who will hear your name, my brother. Yegi wa hewa if we fear you wa bola sadine. You know wa clear. You well o deliver show. You know. The kids ready to even carry you come out for Italy, may come stay with them for Spain that time. Avec des tenants qui a des social media. Mais moi, tu vois les qui a des Facebook. A problem and more day because
I'm motos to win now.
If we're a group in here, I would even now whether I see me cut by a group in the river.
I'm when you're worried. Now we were lucky when you're worried. When go to the group, you know, when I'm worried, we were lucky.
You understand?
Well, even that's what to win.
A first page you when you are dropping. Makoko ba open a page.
Yes, now.
A first page you are dropping a wow.
Everything is done.
Facebook where you are page. The Denia na ewe nani yana wa muwenu na o magieme.
Obi lie.
Ilagele okwo noge e period me ya on weni me brother. Ife document bla bla ro. Yeti we bla bla ti o wawe. Yeti you say train ya say document bola e document gueme. Iwo mo ni push we karelo. I was just a single girl.
Even the
period where you Germany to knock a proud mom. While let a lie, my brother, yate you knocky whereby I won't know yaki.
Equatorial Guinea on social media.
I'll tell you, here. Where a frantic by your web platform or over Fianelli. Where period in my mama security?
Yeah, what we are going away. Maybe I thought we are talking about the area. We don't know in the face. Now we get in the face. Again, we get in the face. To in the face again.
Oh, I'm a social media king. Oh, man, I think nobody know a kid me. Other presenters ironi me nak nobody know. Ni me de nak ya waya wall over here. You understand? A baby from Provoke. Egbe ma hove. A proud mom is over Provoke. Egbe ma me oki me like. Egbe kwa me my brother. But on a net de no keke dori wena. Ya agbe.
My sister, it's not a good egg back way. Why you're going to egg?
If I win a depression, gele worry or gele worry. If you have a TikTok, a shift for me or Yave Mulajanana, a didn't a shifi, a yoga, blah blah blah, or one talk or maybe or where you maternity will live video. Now, my sister, I'm more a show on where maternity will live video. Oh, go here, or what press up before.
Oh, yeah, what? Oh, yeah, well, that's true.
Madam, because they did not respect it, they are respecting. Irrespect women, if Frankie not respecting it. Irrespecting women, or they are not respecting it. I want to go live any cat next event. A saga in my Frankie saga and to Sabas person.
Yes,
2021. Yes,
Takabona.
Because we will not stay saga ourselves that period.
Takabona. Takabo. That's true.
Yeah, man, of mommy, but a Frankie time where every dog ya pick
what's that?
You know, a lot of people they use that topic. Here they use essay happy. Here and I well because we not to stop a live video. And not your fear me ya reggae. Why we give you why we Latin we may be a bastard. Madame, where Pierre? Not be a bastard, the mama so where they who did they womb. Umemweko honore press ke kan de be uwe here Frankie bego when we de ire on your was say at least o get de na we ma o ya ni ke we ma Frankie we ove pokoji yan we but o wo amede pokoyo awen we de re
where you want to come so
iwe ticket nu kan de ticket na expire
severe you
are another ticket fana ruan wo pe
severe you are go.
Oni, me I say have a platform where okay, Maria ya fena like bubu ya. Ya ba page me grow ne. E saga ya we ya need ma wa iwa marion. Me buya ze very oga na ni ya ne. Akwe de gbe buya ze. I greet you my brother. When it le ma go ya go answer. Na like ya we ni when mu bu me anze o. Na na sigo modaki.
Mary je. Iri je.
I I was just a single girl. A single mother we are here, but we are not in Nigeria.
Again, we're not a single girl. We're more women. Who can single? Like, yeah, single mother after body here.
Me here single mother than ya. You know what? My brother can when you are removed. Because I never for nothing. Ni me vekiani. Or we can work a poro emene. Very important.
I don't die. 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 Oh, it's so funny. Oh, I can't believe it. Where is it been? I swear. Hello. You down your way? What go fed up? You down your way? Okay, see you later. Thank you very much. That's all. When events on the social media, while I hear this is a very straight message to whom it may concern. When events on the social media, they will feel where they don't do live video. Nobody will be like them. Not even nobody will do them because they don't do live video. They never know the disadvantage of social media. The person where they sell this page, not to whom it's called, not to severe. Where they call itself a do blog. You understand? And they see the way they use your 2 hands, they look for trouble. They use your 2 hands, they find a meanwhile. Legally, we start. If I answer you, your full generation will hear my story. Don't go play. Now me they talk more about this man. Your sister, smart, Imade TV. Listen and listen good. Your sister, they use the 2 hands, they look for trouble. That thing where they pump out for mind. When I go come out, come answer her, she go know see now men when they talk. Smart Imade TV. I believe say you go when I call this place, go give Smart Imade TV. Make you know say men when they send down straight message. Or twen or bowe yokman. E wani pompe now. E beki no pompe e beki. E beki frustrating already. When I go on media or twen me go if pinjana. As we speak, or too well, collect you go to Facebook. Now my grace. E beki me wanera. Mowe. E beki, I mean nyete. One kobo. Emie mowe. You understand?
And I can still do your sister. Even including you, where be mama, where be sister, where be mama, I go still do you for this video. Don't joke, don't play. You understand? I keep my words. If I vex, I don't send anybody. I don't get what to lose. If I come for you, you'll be the victim. If you come for me, you will still be the victim. You see those things where you pack my phone, when they shock you, I go blast you just turn. When I blast you, you go bring a comment. Just you go know the meaning of social media. Benny cyberspace. Edo blog, now they talk to so. You dey cast style, they show breasts, they form activities. That one work of Becky, where they pump you, you do. Come bring yourself, come out, maybe they see you. Before you come go bring your picture, come out. Baba, don't play. If I come for you, you will heal. No be joke. Now me measure your name now. I know the past corner they talk about you. And they measure your name right from time. They measure your name life and direct. If I come for you, you see those things where you delete my phone, you see your breast and everything with you think they with me 247. Because you say you're smart, you're not smart. You say you're smart, you're not smart. If I come out for you, say they create so as this guy they shock you, you want fall out. Make them for know you. Make you for viral. I go make you viral, my love. And it's going to be in a hard way. Don't play. You will collect. Your mother, your sister-in-law, she go know me. She know what they talk. So call your daughter-in-law. If I come out for her, as I quiet for all the evil which they do, if I come out for her, this time around, I go blast the full family. No, I don't get that nonsense. I don't get that time. I don't get that patience. I'm a full rugged man. Don't play with me. I go to put up on the body with two. Both home and abroad. You see all those the way your sister they play, they come for me. Kwa. You see them with me for phone. Now when they zonzu, when they zuzumaye for all the come for me. If I come out for una go run. Full family go run. I tell you, don't be joke. Don't play. Oh, you not bolo. But they see your updates. They follow your updates. Now make create the page for you. I first bring the page down. That's the truth. But one thing about me, I love everybody to do. I want people to grow. Chop, make I chop. I don't be that kind of person. Every person. I can't envy you because your grace and your grace. I cannot collect your grace. My own grace, now my go. I can go will not be disgrace. That is me for you. My own I follow come. No matter your talk, you can't bring me down. That's the truth. Because I'm already down. You feel the vibes? You know yourself. If I come for you, you don't go like me. I know the truth. Come on, you will they call me so me and not struggle for you. You understand? Becky and Enogi go make you enter trouble. And that trouble will swallow you. You understand? That trouble will swallow you. If I come for you, I go mess you up mercilessly. Let me talk now. Edo blog, you don't want Edo blog TV. You want blow, abi? I go make you blow. Pass the way you did now. Now me talk now. Just the zua, they form, they show breasts. The zua. When I go come for you, you go know say, kaki no be leather. I don't dey joke. I don't dey cap. And they want you. For 7 months now, all of them know the person will carry my last video of my phone. Go give Susie. Now I don't blog. Now I remove up my phone. I just they keep quiet since then. Because men not say you sleep with this one, you bring and come out to disgrace one. You sleep with this one, you bring and come out to disgrace. See they misbehave since then. I just they pin down. I they lock up. Make it don't say Frankie this one. And if I come up for you, you go hello. So that's how you define. I will give you. I go blast you from your head to your toes. Anything will concern you, you go regret the day when you talk to me on social media. The day when you date me, you go regret them. Just respect yourself. Now let you want to remain now will be presenters with never come out. Consagami. Becky won't carry you come out. And I go beat you. Just the way I beat. I go beat you past Becky. Becky, you're not preamble. Your own. go be national TV. Because you know why? Both your man for Nigeria go affect them. And go drag and come out. Thank God say I have all their pictures. So respect yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Go to reach your brother for Paris. You go affect her. Go reach your brother's wife. Where be the year I go? I don't want to mention their club name now. I don't first I got their club. And I can see praise their club. You go affect her. Don't play. Don't joke with me. I don't want the cap. The feeder. Yes, sir. Don't play. You will collect what. Don't be joking. I don't already forgive you. But not say, Susu's gonna like this, my wife. Whereas now you do the work. You talk to Susu's being turned out against my wife. You my wife will get problem. As evil as you are. Because of your dubious character. You know, say I don't already marry. I do my marriage, you do my house with your picking. You get pregnant. Since you immediately you start, you don't say you don't get pregnant. You don't misbehave. Wait, me I block you. If you don't want your story, me I block you. Not supposed to hear story for going for abroad. Now small story I'm gonna give you now. It's up. I'm gonna give you a small story. But if you don't want to hear, I block you. Get out. Bloody civilian. Out my platform. You know, say immediately you start, you just get like bim. Person where they pay loyalty, all this why. Immediately she take in. She's not my family. She's not misbehave. I don't give a damn. From where I go to the purpose. And that's what I saw. She started to insult my wife. She started to insult woman where I don't marry. She will be side chick. Side chick they insult housewife. Now let me talk. If I talk, you go wrong. Thank God you know the story. I'm not that kind of stupid man. If my wife wrong you, I will tell her to apologize to you. That's me. And she will do that. If ASAP, she go do that. If my wife wrong you, as my second wife, she go apologize to you. If my wife can be now, if you wrong my wife, you go apologize to my wife. Now, am I going to go? That's one big jump beggarly. That's one big Jesus Christ. I ask you, I'm on where I'm going to all the women of the Morowa. So why you misbehave? Why you be when you come my family, what my family tell you? My family say go and apologize to the wife. That's my family. On my behalf. Without me, I'm not there. Even when you tell me, come and say it out. All those evidence that I will see, bring it out, babe. Because it's not getting like it's still late and pregnant. You want to Jesus Christ to help with you and the dubious non-aesthetic pregnancy. I say it and I stand by it. I don't need that pregnancy. If you like, you go born Jesus Christ, suit yourself. Suit yourself. Pregnancy will not get respect to help with that blood in this pregnancy. Ask me for you. Yeah, gone. If I want birthday, I'm going to knock my belly. At the dope. If you say because I give belly, one of the form of you guys, one going to oppress me, one going to oppress my household, you get out of my life. Straight down. Awuyo is the title. ASAP. Awuyo what is the title? Now, because as I say, I don't want you, I don't want your damn niggas proper pregnancy. I block the hell out of you until you go to show the video. When Susu show video, I open you when I block you. Up to date. To say for what I was the one that opened you. And I called you, and I send you a voice record. I will still play the voice record one time each. Get ready for me. When I'm coming for you, it's going to be tongue at war. Your tongue will shake. Don't play. Now, you go down and go meet Becky. Hey, Becky, no, don't be away from Marital Osagawa. Hey, Becky, not back, you know, go walk. All your audios, they with me. You say you delete anything. You delete your naked videos. And naked way the way you delete my saving account. I don't get all of the back again, my dear. I take transfer those videos, everything way you transfer my phone. I get all of the back. Don't play. You go learn. This time around, you go learn the hard way. Don't let me come for you. That's just the truth. For the sake of the love we have for each other, if I come for you, you will learn. Respect yourself. Many people not go see you, they do now. You just dey on low-key, they commit evil. I did live video now, they see your updates. Now, like, I don't be your mother carry me come here now. This Odegbe elephant now carry me come here. But as I enter Facebook, your update pop in. Becky post your updates. Yes, so my baby. Becky, they push you. Now, Becky, they post your updates. And they see them. When I come for you, you go know be remember. I've been in this game for you. This is my job. This way now here for the feed. Now here for they feed you. When you come my house, now this same work, now they feed you and your picking from my house. You feed the vibes. And this same work now they bring you down. And you go take collect with you. I'm not gonna bring you there, we go too small. I'll bring your entire family down for this same work. See how some of the crazy for you. This is when I'll get on time and you go here. You see when they open yash, they open leg for Facebook, say they teach people how to get pregnant, how to open yash to position. She go position where that time when time reach. Now this message now for you and your sister. May they call you to order because I come for you. You go learn. Because your sister, now that useless woman, she know. She never tell me say she don't know the evil we don't do for the past. For the past how many months now? Close to a year. She kept mute. She not call me. But when they come my house, she call me. But tell me say, this is something. She call me. When you start evil, she lock up. And she go affect her. And the way they get believe at old age, she go collect when time reach. That your sister will be the day when they get believe at old age, she go collect when time reach. We're not go beat one person because now all of them they do the evil together. Or second, we hear a guy with national cake. We are respected boy. We are respected boy. I know they carry saga person. I dey respect myself. But people will not know. Nobody know na atrocity now. Who men when they talk. All of the love. Who they talk to? Who they talk to? When I come bring your picture, come on. They go know you want viral, you go viral. I go make you viral. When them let lovely viral now. I'm a picture guy now. I'm gonna make it. You understand? What be viral? Where's one year? That year, yes, 1 year. Nobody know eh. It's just because of information here. Oh yeah, you get Susie clap. When Susie saga you call me. Say Susie beats you. I ask you, what did Susie do? You don't do video. You don't mention Susie. You go put Susie's picture. Next, you go back to Susie. You become a friend to Susie. They blog a video. When time reach, then you know what you want to do. Week by one, I have video a video going. Una mugi Susie no dia review. Ogiane, ro you get one. Kuweke, mommy let me colleague. You are know my sister. People go analyze your video. We go analyze it. We have been dating since 2013. 2023. Yeah. Becky March February 3rd and left February 9. And you came February 13. February 14 was Valentine's Day. Now you gotta do Valentine. Where Warrior 2nd in 2023. We will play all those videos. We will play everything. Then we in a video. Leave me a video. You understand? Your character, no ya be the kokobiri. No ma go, no ma ye kokobiri marewe. And that's a character you're performing now. You were pretending as an angel. Salova we say, oh, era no ready because not God. Why ya we say we are saying of oh, is no ma even no ye we. Egbi ye continue we say. Alera no pie no so here no baso de we say. Igbi no sun. We say we cool. We say agu menwa. They will not put it there. A disgrace must like shame and disgrace must enter their body. This woman was see without wasting time a sap. We are going to are being living. I was so like, oh, I don't see angel. I don't see angel. Oma, I remember a Sylvia. Oh, you base moya o imwa. I go dinner. What's my money? Sylvia turn vampire. She turned to vampire. In a her, you may respect. E si via rogime. Kinye komo rogime. Me ya road out and you are marriage. There you know money like Billy. Or can you diddly me? Or can I live as a second wife? That was the plan. Or I could go where I live as a second wife. But the whole house was so tight. Now, a few things you know about me, because the mom trusted, I had to go love myself. God, I thank you for my life, because she was not trustworthy. There was not everything. Well, if the thing I want to, I don't say this thing go enter media, I'm not going to let her know. If you need any man on that media, you come out because it might get comfort, trust her fully. One, Miss View, babe, I don't like this thing. Two, the same thing, I don't like this thing. Stop it. Three, babe, stop it. This is the last one. If you do this thing again, it's going to be over between me and you. I'm sorry. Baby. You cannot be insulting my wife in my presence. You cannot be humiliating my wife in my presence. I don't accept that. I'm going to warn you, babe. Stop that nonsense. Let this be the first and the last time. Oh, okay, babe, I'm sorry. I will accept. And this morning, you don't provoke, don't insult my wife. To my present, not only to my wife. I cannot go to my wife's place. I decrease. I will caution her. Stop that. If you try that again, it will be a problem. First, second, third. The fourth one, in my presence, in the presence of everybody, on a WhatsApp group call. Insulting my wife. I never pay your bride price. My wife just ask you a question. If now you the fair pay a bride price, you go agree, make Frank Victor marry me, join you. You say for what? Over your dead body. I go allow and go marry the join me. And then they allow me to marry you with a small girl, Jonah. Who can be fool? Who you a fool? Stupid fool will not get sense. You just say you get sense. The man where your brother want give you, where your sister, where your mother want give you, go see man give you. Go marry them. Are they bowing away where I can see go brother part 1 or 2? Unyi mama. Why would you know? And I even any lado. Oh yeah, back because no. That one on one side, we'll leave that side. Now your updates, then they give you this one. Maybe measure your name. May you know say your matter. It depends. Or you call a lawyer or a gun. Alright. Don't play. No matter where I gun, I will serve heaven and it breakfast. Everybody go see chopper. Who get what or man go see come and analyze that. Your picture go fall out. Your audio go fall out. Now I'm going to talk about this man. Another joke on a reality. Mommy, let's take your lead. Ivie, nous verrons les bouts. Au vu Bobore, dans Mugu, nous verrons les bouts. Ah, boy, you didn't even see any better person than my wound. Nobody do it. Now, the ban of no abu because why? Anyway, marry her. At your age, when we're bassing, I know what to remember you're messing with up immediately. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Don't play. It's just the truth. We have fun. I can really hold when you lock up. We enjoy fucking you and lock up. No, I'm going to anyway, you know, I guess it's working. You dig me, you likuti. I'm we are do all you need to do, what they cooperate, we go with mama. I want to buy you this one, I want to buy you this one, I want to pay your house rent, I want to pay this one. Then in the end, I want to see you now beg. Okay, it's after show. Yalaru show a wicked in the mother's tongue. And why you go too busy? We do all of it. You know, we are follow up. As if you were like, Monseba de Ki, I see ye by you. O Lakba Bewune, or we are here by mother. So we are follow up because why you don't taban. That's the truth. Mom, you don't taban. Ebe buene. And you when you not take away serious. That's true. Don't play. You not take away serious. E want to know. E Becky Dareo. Becky, shift closer. Shift closer. I see the way we are talking. Blah, 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 blah. They talk like a responsible person. Hey, yeah. So, introduction, I will you declare married. Oh God. Hello. Introduction. How you declare marriage. Introduction not marriage, my dear. Wise up, don't play. On the one side. Even your husband are toy, where they use like toy. And that's the reason why you can't use me like toy. That's why I can't get married to you. That's why I use you guys, I dump you guys, because why you guys are too you're too daft, man. Kind of liking, don't play. I'm not proud. I'm very principle man, according to my level of lead. A principle man, if you can't abide to my principle, you pack well. It's the truth. Any reasonable and a matured man that really vibes will get authority, that really want to stand as a man, have to be principle. You have to have the guidelines that your rules and regulations must be tied in your home to make your home unique as you want it. Because why? It's the way you will spread your bed. That's the same way you lie on the bed. You get me? It's the truth. Becky love TV. Mommy, what I wish she did, Yash. You see my wife there, my wife did video call with me. On that woman, the top, my wife, hey, it's Alpha. Hey, sir, come, sit down. Were you not in my house? When I and Abia you are waiting for America, they play love of whom? And you kept quiet. What did you say after the call? What the friend where I had made through investment, you know? And that's the way I hate you. If you don't know, I've said thanks to that number. You feel so? What the friend where I had made through investment, a girlfriend the way I give a friend Abia you are call who lock up quiet. We are you okay? I mean, not so we are I love you. Oh, you especially not go talk. If I hear that kind of video, I don't go talk. When we see your mess is me. Hey, sister, better ask me the shame. Everybody for Italy, they hustle. They find documents. They will do one or two things. They buy documents for people for border to cross to France. Merci beaucoup. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, mais ça va toi. To jack back from Italy to France. You, because of introduction, die your document, come to Italy, come start for square zero. Become a social media talkative. I dare you can we. We're not here, I dare you ki nekegui. I'm going to give me 3 to 3 to 2. Talk a pee. Give me 3 to 2. I can do with 3 to 2. Don't play. Give me 3 to 2. Make a follow up this night. We have to start. Don't play. Stop. I'm not a joke. Everything we are talking about is reality. Pure life. Pure life. No joke, no cap. Understand? No threatening. It's just reality. This is just me. Now, what you have when they talk? I'm not a lie on top of person. Because of tomorrow, what you do feel on call. I don't know if you're only blood niggas or juju. That is me. But I respect when juju is natural. You say, you do and you not do, I don't want. But I do want, so it's it. But I don't do, no kill me. If you say, swear, I don't do, I go swear. If I just make a buy, I go swear. I don't do, make a buy, me understand life, I go swear. Yes, sir. So you'll be. You feel so? So, my dear, when you see, nothing in this life, that is too short. That's why you see tomorrow. Today, tomorrow you see no more, you hear say don't die. You'll go bury them for mortuary, that's what it be. You know, barak bono. Enjoyment is the key. Just enjoy yourself when you're alive. Drink beer, fuck to my brother, fuck to. You need to fuck to. 3 to 2 must be very poor. You don't even know man. Fuck. No, they fuck 1 to 2. 1 to 2, no, not sweet. Listen. They activate. Understand? It's very important. If, see, from Victor, Equatorial Guinea, best of this. I think, see, that way we go. How many I don't shop? He asked me. All those I get for that shop past me. And my tongue like this, so let me enjoy myself. And if those guard dog who activate them, go activate them. Now help I did. And they don't dump many women. They never see Bola. They say, Frank, I beg help you. I don't blow whistle. I don't see you put on with the come. And knock on. Now help I did. Right now, I know be that kind of person again. I'm a change person. Yeah, I'm a change person. Only many people now go pray for us in the but that is the foot of the one Jesus, okay? I'm a change person. Oh God. Sister, one of the house. I know say topic no the media now. Now my topic be the thing, no the media. I'm ready to rain now. I'm ready to God, not give me love and like. What's this all? This all. Not give me love and like. But about this man, he's the only man with a big topic. They go cast everywhere. Not post me love and like. What's the young? What's the young now? What's the app? You invest for me. They watch my video. Sister, go sleep. You invest for me. They watch my video. They cap my video. What's the app? Give me love and like. They form verse. Nonsensical nonsense there. Tear me love and like. I too much. Your husband fit fuck 3 to 2. 3 to 2 for me. Mona tear me 3 to 2. Your husband fit fuck 3 to 2. Give me love and like. See better person with the knock. Libya Russian do me well. Libya Bogaya am your worry. Mama make you. You are your own. Very make you. He make you him let love live. You are me now who is so no can. Who will not play with you. Wait. We will let the video can't be egg bono. We have a blue in a egg group. We 200 euro. Eat make one big over. As is a when you walk, when you must walk. When you back, but you enjoy your own life. You enjoy your von. You are 2 years back, make why you logo. My you know, you are saloy. My oil. Ya iki bogo ye oyina ye mila oyi salo yi meri nyu won san ya sie wa kebe ya fo a won san sie e wa so ya wa describe we fo mom let love ya describe we yes e me ga gbe beki mo ga gbe love ya mo ga call you we dey bro beki mo ga call you we or say when we ask so maybe you cry there if ye e na heavy e no really support what we not here no we man of the truth olakoko or you can agbasawo if you not support always so what are you saying if you love to support evil now so it has been now inheritance or yes again so as if here as well I don't see am iyita yenu kokomo awu me ya sadi inu ko mola o wa muhiri ya gwogo ito imo we ya wa gwogo na no be joku ya wa wala ma ga ke se every na tie boy o ma fa no very important the videos where we were more. It on one thing away now. Where go?
This guy 2022. It was like Nigeria. Ideas. I don't know that me want money. Is the air from this your mouth. So I just did but Iman winner. So that evening I just did. I say online. I don't know this guy before, which I not even watch on live video before. I would just say I beg. So that day, I told you they stroll through Facebook because they play the music. You can say anybody no we need the music. Me call him. I can't call him. Then I bro send me the music. If I boy my la be. On a see before I can finally agree where okay, just yeah they take. We call the 2022, now we call just the it can't bring, even when I even there he has. Now from there, and then I'll be one way I was there. There, if you see the bella because any boom. So my yaro, okay to have my way, Yamuje Kevin. He was Yamuje Kevin. My mind where the relationship of phone revenue. We boy na no die suboloko. So I play along where okay, I I don't forgive you. I'll play along. Okay, what guy will sissy. You just can't be winning, blah blah blah. Ni one we was your room or the near grim. Now okay. I can't say give me time. If I don't think everything, I'll get back to them. I can't really take time. 1 week, I'll be 3 days. I can't take everything. If I did taking, I can't reason out by myself. Wait, if I let this boy go like that, again, then the boy now no do ya saga later because I know the type person will be. So I can't talk to one or two people. Say, see what they go on, and they say, okay, do what in day your mind. And so me, I can't day. Na do ya 12 Italy. Fine, you get a movie very. You why especially no the code no the because we give you 10 years you na roll the very and if you can roll the especially in France man they roll they go like travel go another country because in your school they go want ask they say where the travel go. So I told them I say you can't say make I come. I told them I say I don't feel come because my baby never day holiday. You can't tell me say okay anytime my baby take day holiday make I come. I can say okay my baby can't 2 day holiday. As my baby day holiday, we can't travel. When Frank they talk, Frank this one make car 5 times when you decide that you not go you not your boy you not go here. Ukave alo guje kezi na bia saga me esivia bien Jesus yes mo gele vieux Jesus ya defend gbe because even no wa wu ku gba kije kezi even no wa wu except for no make gba wa mo ko na re ije kezi ya na ije kezi ega ya ni ya le we gbon before he record you the eja what report me na no we na wa we fiamu amen we fiamu Mama agent ye wa page we agent no here Facebook ni get what email Facebook e go review audio latin. So you get so wa he first of all na ka wala wa e wa so wa na we ya dey I switched off my iPhone because iPhone they do one thing. If you use iPhone once you enter person it's because if you fall for inside all those kind of manyama way I go for so if you want that person yes one thing when your phone need to do for you. Lock everywhere, no lights. Switch to your camera detector. If camera did that, your iPhone will detect it. So I switch to my camera detector. Camera not did that. Camera not did that. So it can't come out. Everybody can't there. After 2 days, you can't go Mama Kevin. What kind of marriage? You know, say I did your ass. I did record everything. Don't let me come out so you can be Tiana what or maybe not moving on Tiana what because if I went for revenge this week on there's a double more zero the phone even though we are aware and yeah see anybody in way for ready no come around the banana coming yeah see Latin I swear to God I swear with my father and grave yeah see I can remember muza way that is your platform war, you tell your platform you way. If I know way, I'm going to pay all your tire.
Thank God, I will carry your come up now. Where your man?
Because sometimes the fact is all back.
Are you for now? Are you for I will you not do my guy?
Are you man? All of my calling no watch now you watch here back way. Only have a better cause him my way. Because when I were platform in another way, kidding me now. Eva me are not way. Oh, I lie. Eva not be ya when it's a go hold ya may you know so little.
Very good.
All of your comments here on your come away. The man I have been made. I said only say I want to marry. Okay, or how my way.
Everybody
come there. On other Davie Kezi. On a quick Davie Kezi. I take anything or take a book. I record everything or gay. If I don't want when the boss are saying, I want to son is so saying, oh my God, I will send the end. Frankie, leave me alone. Not be by force to this guy. Not be you.
Wait, or we not by force to this guy. Well, we are, we manage the co. We call him. As you be a woman, most we are, with your family in war. A family with Yato can I apologize. Where we can. Or we apologize in a block, more blocky way. I block you. The reason why I opened you was because of this Suzuki matter. Thank God so you don't use the mouth talk now. Now, my people, Suzuki Larry. Suzuki. I believe so you don't hear man. This is me about this man. I detect and say now she enter my phone, pack off video, I'll give you. She just said she's smart. I get app my phone. If you remove anything from my phone, you delete her, you go to that app. A video you remove the phone, you send it out. Then I send your WhatsApp, I delete it, I go back to my phone, to my delete WhatsApp, my delete app. A naked picture there, I delete your phone, I go back to my delete app. My dear, I go disgrace you. All your naked picture, all your pussy, they my phone. I get out of my phone. You understand? I just play. You see, you see, Mugulish. When I tell you, see, she lie against my wife, send my wife. Now I forward everything to Suzuki. Suzuki lie. The same thing you do to Bizubu. This guy, don't worry. Or you send them here, the Suzuki name. Suzuki here, how walking more send the girl say. Which I know, say my wife not get black woman as friend for that city. Why don't we have money men you? Why not equal so this woman was carrying my pregnancy. She go to my phone, pack all the audios, the videos on my phone, save it on my phone, delete all her naked photos. She by herself, I did not record her, I did not screen record her. She by herself forward straight to my phone. Unfortunately for her, as stupid as she is, she don't say how did my phone where all those things they go. All of them fly down to that phone. So when Suzuki bring that video of Mommy Let Take Care Lead come out, I say, who can bring this video come out? Mommy Let Take Care Lead only have photos, it don't have the videos. The video shocked me. I come on Let Take Care, I say, now this girl is trap. I just tell you, I say, now this girl. I come on, I say, where my wife don't know, you don't know the pin of my phone. The pin to my phone, my wife don't know. Now in song, now I get the pin. I own song where she born for Kogobili. Now I get the pin. The next thing, my dear, you are bijoué, Motai. I have a mother's picture. You are a bijoué. You got 20, no more smart, immediate TV. Motai. A audio on go with me. And when you can back, you can walk me. I want to be a dear away. Now me talking. That's me. You too small. And okay, my dear. You have baby. Oh, a Becky bar when I did. And you are Becky, you found your best friend. Well, what's all I say? All the other service of your Gumea be here. Me neighbor back with this man. Or to no one. Call it no give up. It be here. And then where me I move one level no me. I want y'all. I heard that you feel me, but nevertheless, I'm not gonna waste much time. I'm to go rest because tomorrow job. If I say I go push her, she go confess. The most happiest thing so far this night, see, she confessing now. She forward those videos. Louis Vuitton, the Suzuki after what coming, and what walking me forward the again. Today now, victory has come. The person way forward and I do this. They can bring the video come out.
And I open this straight to beach club.
Where worry, where make me? See ya. This one I want with. I said yes, they be the first day. And so they do video. They bring their side to come out because. You see with this. Ezisa. Iga go ahead on a hammer. Ogiya wants one azure. And that's one azure.
Oh, yeah, maybe I will die. And I miss it, I will bring her come out. All the time when me and you take the call, I record everything. And this guy take come pursue guy when you the date before you come. When that guy come go call Michelle, I record everything. I'm waiting for that time when you say you new call when you need to die your hand cutting. I record them. Mama Kedi, I get a lot of yours. You will be say if I play and you sweat for. I don't know what you will even do to
you
me.
must play am.
Okay,
If you not play am, you no go rest. Remember me, Rockman. Who we act pay?
So just
When man act pay.
the boy or a guy, I don't even know. Call and enter house. Oh, you're not date. I go that way. You must say where I can do a date. Oh, my can't wait. If you do.
Who we man act pay? Or if I will not fuck up. Me no, me need Papa with this man on me and the lack of this kind of thing. And you must play them. So that me I know all the bloggers they present where I did, I don't expose all of them. When I go know they say, if Frank can't hold on it, Frank can't hold on it. You understand? That's what they do my thing. You must play them. If you don't play them, it be okay right after you why you not be running, it be okay you not be running. Iju we not better when you we not be a big issue when you need soon woman. Iju na ho. You know working smart no ho working my day smart. No ho man where you say. Oh ho. Here am smart go not be. Oge ogbera. Oge no gbera ni. O kan make gbugbe. Oge no gberugbe. O kan gbe. E sister lo dito. Dito better. Dito better. Go make me look baba swing. I got swing. The guy said, and you not see it. Me man, I'm go you go home because you were not trustworthy. You can't say you did France, I did Italy. You could use it. They come. Baba, if Frankie is that. And then you look I that's me. Sylvia, Oboa did with me. And that is suit. One of the Frank. Oboa did with me. I go to beat your mama. If I put your lights with me, when unless in my desmatic be. The man look ma. The record. Am I not your record? Yeah, you go for your record now. You go for your record. I bet play your record. Man, me record. Me answer what you work. We record me. Me look buggy me. You are in mugo.
What's you? Stay away from you.
Stay away from you. Ah, what pay you? What bitch you are?
My phone no be there. Okay, the way I'm with phone, we may phone. Phone, what's the money? Okay, to the line, every year, what don't know young. I was so at a last about you when a guy now. What's what?
You mama for no why you like me? You see that? Imunani ya mawe, imunani ya mawe. Nuge yaru. Okay, na mawe na. Aka ya gbugbe. We what was one calorie. My people, this girl, as I tell her, see, I want to go do marriage. All the I will make a fair play or to make a play. No, play. Money body. When come with calls me in the money body, I can't put one. I can't finger. Hello? Afa. Web one. I did live video. You just speak out. See they watch me. You see? And they hear you. What's here? Talk to me now. Okay. Later, if I don't control, I'll call you. Alright, now. Ciao. So, my lovely people, Baba with this man. Hey, God, this night I shall be blessed. You know why I like myself? This girl, she did cover up, they pull her from my woman head is there. I say I go push and come out. She go talk. Remember me, doctor? I say I wear her just now, wear her. Now she ball out for life. You can't talk. It is say you go feel escape. You must confess. Every year no good my brother and sister, you must play me. You go play my guy. I know your odds, you not go change me. I don't marry. You are single. I'm a married man. We already go on. Where worry? You know the story. Where we are. May I hallelujah you. And I don't go saga you with lie. And I insist at the talk and the come. I have never saga you with lie. I gave your son my phone. A lot of the cartoons where your son downloads my phone is still on my phone. I want to watch cartoon. I want to play game. I gave your son my phone. Your son downloads videos on my phone. You use the opportunity to enter my phone, pick up my keys. Why? You were jealous when you see I go pay bride price. You came to my house. First you said you don't want the relationship again. Because I confidentially told you I want to go and marry. And you insist that no, make I marry you first than getting married to Makeli. And I said no. For age, Makeli senior you. And Makeli I choose to marry for the now. We say, now the quarrel. Now I cause quarrel. After that, I say, no one. If the Makeli want marry now and you don't want to get, you move. And I say, inshallah, it's up. I answer, you go. You wrote to Makeli. You congratulate Makeli. You say you congratulate them. You left. A week later, you wrote again. Because I did not call you anymore. You say you're not even coming. So I just tell you, I don't want to get. You didn't even call me. You didn't even come to beg me. I said, why will I beg you? Already, on that person doesn't take your place. You know. Then you start apologizing. You were not the one begging. Say, okay, you will be a second wife. I said, okay, no problem. Let me pity you. Let me give you that space. It's up. I said, okay, no problem. I don't know what I'm gonna. Baba, I got bored you. You go run. So, this one they do. In sister, what they call Smarty Made, where they get big belly, they get belly now. 180 for Brescia, we get belly. Where they did talk, they speak vocabulary English. That one first disagree, say you don't want to make a date his sister. That one almost say his sister only come my house almost 2 times. We don't last, we don't confirm, backboard on, knock bola like 2 times. 2 times. When we want do one officially because the relationship they go further. Then they go to turn off to get married to her. We can't let the sister know. Sister say no. Last, sister cooperate. Normally no. Sister that's okay. Make sure you're supposed to open page. In case make sure they block put. She come and now they open that door block for her. That door block now they open up for her. We decide bed. That was March when I do marriage. This also what they talk so. This evil woman. You see how woman deep demonic rich. My brother for abroad, use your brain on women. They are so demonic. This woman, they sleep with me for bed. They knock, they suck my brother. Thank God they not back my prick. The same woman now, they pack videos, audios, go to my privacy, go they pack. My guy, the highest privacy of a man, now the Ebola, I don't carry and come out. Anything with the before, pack and come out. All the way you get play. I'm gonna play. I'm going this way. I'm gonna play. I'm gonna go for. If I'm going to lie with me, if I'm going to lie with go assume with the one. Mota. The Sylvia smart. No my neck be. I shall work kokobiri. Le kokobiri go vabi. Ouais, babe quoi. I'm gonna go. More play video. Say you smart, you know smart my dear. I always respect myself as a man. This is a woman where BC she get belly from you. Confirm. Immediately she get belly, she spring up. This is what you call a cast so Until Becky don't teach him. Yeah, mind no hear no talent. Oh, no act by na guy. Yagi na my no when you dig me. Na my us we live video. Come on, let's kill it. Oh God. I like from Paris. Paris, baby. Let's do Paris. Okay, back what I tell you. When I did one room, 170 euro room, now she come. 170 euro presenters. Or the year we kill. Ekia gire de mon be, on a be a diogidi, on a rebrisha. Or give it brisha, no other got you brisha. In our buena lodge, will tell you begamo. In our lodge, you will tell you begamo. I lodge this idiot or whatever begamo. Now I go over, you will tell you begamo. You will tell her away. Like that, no, me will not go there. Baba with this man. You are a nigga. You nigga. You bad nigga. Now, and you boy, yo. Begamo the hay. Begamo ye. I go see play the video. Now me the bad with this man. Hey, you boy, yo. Peace and love. I'm gonna chill now. I want to see you guys tomorrow. More updates. Sylvia. So, what the life on me view? Mommy Susie. Congratulations to my wife. Baby, you see, today's saga is the best saga so far. At least I saga today. I got victory for my wife. And I thank God, say, it is good as a woman to be sincere to your husband. And I want to say thank God to myself for believing in my wife. My wife na angel. Any you want better, play your audio. The lie against my wife, saying my wife now go bring my privacy come out for social media. I'm not my wife. This mommy let who don't lead now more I'm going to invest my wife now go come out. If she said love this in the back of my wife, oh we are on call. Which I quarrel with her, she knew. Unknowingly to them, not my wife. God, I thank you. And the defender say, no be my wife. My wife not get black person as a friend. Now it cannot be a friend. The happiest day of a woman when you want to do marriage, you go invite your friends. No black woman come my marriage. Becky, I want to call her Sylvia. When I do marriage, I put you on video call. Did I put you on video call? Did you see anything in my marriage? No. The way what they say on Facebook, you see him. Because you know what? I don't trust you. You're going to learn. Because I don't trust you. In your woman balance. I trust myself about with this man. Easy. You see your life now? Becky markets. Otane. Awaya honor now. Susie, how you do? You will say you be truth teller. All the lie you lie against my wife. She don't open. Susie, come out and tell the world. Who send you what you know? You don't really open up. The vibes don't open. Get ready for me. Don't play. When I come out of hatred, in Mamarowa. Now, imagine the kind of women we are supposed to marry as a wife. This same woman support my marriage. This same woman when they talk so, she supported my marriage for 200,000. Ogonogona. Ona supporting marriage with 200,000. A marriage you might be happy with evil that lives with man. A marriage you might be happy with, you support the marriage with 200K. Waga modini social media. Agbonadini. A marriage you might be happy with. You want to be the first wife. I'm not supported with 200K. The same you lie against the same woman to bring the woman and for me and the woman to quarrel to make up with you. Make it down to marry well. Hey, Baba. Thank God, inshallah. Can you imagine? This call for celebration. Life deep, oh. Life deep, oh. Life deep. Another year now. Who bring this video come out of Suzuzi? Now, Edo Blog TV. Sylvia, smart, na their name. On Edo Bloggy. Or Bloggy. I'm well at Sylvia. Now, the Suzuzi no come make na agree. They make it not well. You can not say, it's all home or come here. But I thank God for the wisdom. Men of Wisdom Association, I greet it to Ali. Thank God for the wisdom that God has bestowed upon me as a man. I even a beer to the I had told you this life no balance. This life no balance. Why go with we are here as my second wife? You know, I gave my family name. As this woman, my family know this woman. At yesterday, my family still asked of her. I never told my family that we are no longer together. She was even pregnant. My family knows she's pregnant. Oh, no, I'm going to. No, we record the working man. The name we don't keep. No via video no phone make your enemy me. No ya gbere. No are Facebook. Oh no. If I provoke now I go call my family for Naija. Now, look not here, not be joke. If I'm very deceiving, now if I'm very people to the comments, no verse, this silence. We got the silence. When you marry this life in how people wicked this. So they just want me to pursue my wife. We go. We go boy the baby. Hey Baba, I thank God for wisdom. Wisdom, use brain. Okbolo, use everything. They can only try, but don't go for succeed. This is you telling me. I did my house here. What's to try that word? I don't come and say you watch this. You see no what I said. I go with my mom. I watch me. Say, mama, say, fam. You believe with it all? Now I don't understand. Which of you believe it all? Who be your friend? Will be black? Will me no know? He said, I don't get black person as friend though. Me, I know you're paying for who. I don't know you're paying. If they had you, say, my friend will keep quiet. What's the problem? Who do you send this video to? Now see, you get to write by phone. Only not by phone, you give, but this particular to my private phone. See, this is my private phone. You don't get a pin to this phone. How come? And they use this one to do life. This one to the sickle. This one, now the private phone where they keep. This one they play so. I say life. This one private. Ah. Oh, if I not use laptop, I use laptop now. I'll get with this phone. I say, oh, you see that too? He said, fam, I don't see any video. You send me video. I said, calm down. You understand? The thing what cause it's already the paro. You know when you not do anything now, it's already paro. I said, calm down. I said, I just want to ask you. You say that, he said no. I believe you. Huh? My wife. I don't say I believe you. He said, and I said, yes, I believe you. It's okay. Relax. I bet you can go my wife's house. We like my wife's house, I go surprise them. You don't know how they come. I said, my wife, boss, what can I do? I go straight to her phone. Me, bad guy now. You know the story now. I go cross-check my wife's phone from the beginning to the end. Hello. Good evening, ma. I did live video. Okay, talk to me. I'm hearing you. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, put on speaker. I mean, if in case you did ring, you see this life no balance. Hey, Baba with this smile. When I see him, when I talk this was you listen, see Via do this thing because I know sure Baba with this smile. Do you know say, my lovely wife, I'm gonna bless her for me. I swear, it's sharp. Now I'm gonna bless my wife. And you know the reason why I dey bless my wife. If I not be man we get sense, see this matter when I look at joke so, it will just come to my house as I Chris rich. It goes to my house. But I was so smart. I think I was saying, relax. I'll get to the root of this evil. I enter my phone. I know how within my phone. I go to Zanzara, Baba. Anything you do with my phone, it go reflect on the app. The time which you do everything. This was the way they talk so. The time I go check her. I see her. I come like now Sylvia doing. My wife see the deny for this idiot. My wife was denying for this idiot. This useless muscle. For coming here CNN. See this like no balance. See the way some people go to bless them. They don't go know the reason why God they bless because their heart clean. Oh no, deny. Oh no, it's serious my boy. She they deny for this mugu where they talk so. You see, some people go say Frank they disgrace me. Frank they disgrace me. They don't know the reason why Frank they disgrace me. Yeah, I be on here so. Hello.
Domo.
I greet you. Alright video. Alright speaker.
I greet you, Baba Domo.
What?
Happy Sunday.
I'm always with you.
Already can I contribute to your Domo now?
Go ahead.
So, now, Baba, me I go on based on the wisdom man of me. Domo.
What?
Unless on now, or beg him no sooner, any man I one on now, I will banner, will know it in day. You know, the car boy in Baba Lao. Oh, he Kevin, would not ask to dog and no more. Try to bring him down. When a Gwyneth and Papa in your body, me, way, Uriokune, Uriokula one, Ukunuri, Igby Ryan, Igby or Igby Batman. I mean, your bunny out to be done and have to get Kevin down. Ero, Baba in your bunny, Hamawe. Ali Huna, Nue Hunena. Iyan gwale yen kana bring wale ye Kevin down. Eyan gwale yen wiro. Eyan gwala bi khunu we una. Eni ahan bring ye Kevin down ahan sezo no hi wale ye Kevin eyan gwalo. Eyan pani mi ayin we baba life donata na. Lao. Baba eyan we leli we ni tin ne. Baba no le awa ye we aga imania ya fitana we Gary Wagino.
I'm going to get it, you know.
Papa, I beg, Enogirina, Papa, no secret of Panogiri, no Giddy Stumida, no Yamule, no. Are you going to work because you and Papa talk everything? Bring the work, they found out to bring your wife down. They don't go fit. Bring everything down. Now, you know, if we meet me. I think we are not we are not we are not
I just tired. I just tired.
Bring the down. Okay, bring the recording. What we are? Who we are? Baba, bring the story down. We're going to go now. Hey, Salubano, my master. We're really know why. You told you, we're here. Okay, you go. Vamos, daí, Baba, why you glory? We're here to the why you are because you look around. If we are no, you are no.
Can you imagine?
Maybe they want to be mature. He was the record by the Salubua. Oh, no fear, no fear.
Ebek happy.
See, really body,
Ebek any.
What anybody don't keep anything. Why are you near that day? Now they want to do that.
Yeah, my baby number. That shame at this I'll give him. He never see anything. Give me 3 to there, 3 to 2. Luago, man.